Well, let's get you more on that. There has been a fresh buzz that is now emerging from Karnataka over a possible rift in Chief Minister Siddaramaya's camp as he and his deputy D.K. Shivkumar has been holding separate meetings with key legislators. Why? As Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah began meetings with legislators earlier this week, with key regions being like Bidar, in Koppal and Ballari that were represented, and the talks are expected to continue till Saturday. Notably absent from these meetings is Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. Now, while he seems to have downplayed his exclusion, it is nonetheless sparked off a political buzz. Now, these developments that have been taking place on these one-on-one talks that seems that Chief Minister has been holding, which is widely being seen as a damage control exercise, as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been holding individual meetings with Congress MLAs to address rising dissatisfaction within the party. Now, what is being said that this decision also comes in the backdrop of growing resentment among several of the legislators of what they describe as a slow development work in their constituencies and lack of funds. However, what is now being said on part of the Chief Minister, who has been meeting several legislators and ministers from Mysuru, from Chamarajanagar, from Tumkuru, from Hassan, from Dakshin Kannada, and what is being said that these meetings are expected to continue throughout the week, where lawmakers also joining from Bidar, from Raichur, from Koppal, from Vijayanagara, from Ballari districts that are scheduled to meet him, and this exercise that is likely to extend until Saturday. However, what is being said that Deputy Chief Minister and Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivkumar has not been present in these meetings, a move that has triggered speculation about a growing divide within the Congress leadership. However, he's been playing down the issue, stating that he saw no problem with the Chief Minister taking this initiative, saying that the Chief Minister has every right to meet the legislators as he is acting on the feedback that came in from the AICC General Secretary, and he too has been holding meetings with the MLAs, especially when it comes to matters related to Bengaluru's development. Now, this is the story now being reported from the state of Karnataka. Amid rumblings within the party rank, it seems that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is addressing dissatisfaction, what is being said among Congress MLAs, by holding these individual meetings. Let's get in a word from Neha now. Neha, what is exactly happening within the Siddaramaiah camp? Why these one-on-one talks and meetings that is happening with the Congress legislators? What are the issues being addressed?
Well, Amita, whenever we've asked the Congress MLAs or in fact even the High Command and leaders of the High Command about, of course, these repeated meetings that are taking place, they've only, of course, echoed one thing, which is that these are routine meetings that often take place, to, of course, gauge the progress across the state. MLAs reportedly in these meetings, of course, have raised a host of issues right now. Our sources inform us about the leadership change as well. And, of course, largely what we're picking up right now is that Randeep Singh Surjewala, of course, going to be in Bengaluru again today to meet a couple of MLAs to try and understand the concerns that they have been facing. When we, of course, spoke to him last time around when he was in Bengaluru, he said that his meeting with the MLAs had nothing to do with the leadership change, but to merely understand from the MLAs whether, of course, they have grants for their constituencies and how much work really has been completed in the past 2.5 years. Remember, of course, even as that 2.5 years mark, of course, is nearing right now for the Congress government in the state, there has been a lot of buzz about the leadership change and whether at all the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah would have to hand over the baton now to the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar.
However, D.K. Shivkumar has been dismissing of the allegations and speculations of a possible rift within the two camps. As Neha continues to be with us, we also play out exactly what D.K. Shivkumar has been saying. He says, defending Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, D.K. Shivkumar says that there was nothing wrong with the Chief Minister holding meetings. Dismissing talks of a rift, he asserts that there was no differences within the Congress. Instead, he has now flipped the narrative, claiming that it was the BJP that was divided and needed to set its own house in order first.
Honorable Chief Justice, Party General Secretary consulted all the legislators. They wanted to have spoken in different ways. That has been given to the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister will discuss on these issues. As far as Bangalore is concerned, we have a separate agenda for it. No, I think there may be a lot of differences in the BJP, not in the Congress. Congress is a united house. No question of any differences. I think they are not there. Let them sort out their house in order first.
Well, Neha, what do we make of the DK Shivkumar's statement here is concerned? Because he doesn't seem to be affected as far as not being part of those meetings, one-on-one individual talks that the Chief Minister seems to be having with legislators.
Well, absolutely. Of course, the Deputy Chief Minister there going on to state that there's no need to be perturbed there, that the CM, of course, is holding separate meetings with the MLAs, that as the Chief Minister, he, in fact, has the rights to. More importantly, of course, we've also seen other reactions now coming into this. The Home Minister, G. Parameshwara, also, while he had reacted earlier, had said that there's absolutely nothing wrong if the CM and the Deputy CM want to hold different meetings with the MLAs. But the BJP, of course, there has been lashing out now, at, of course, the CM and the Deputy CM as well, saying that it's nothing but a Game of Thrones that's being played in Karnataka, and that administration has hit an all-time low, and all that leaders, MLAs and senior leaders of the party are interested about at this point in time is the leadership change.
All right. The Deputy CM says that the Chief Minister has every right to connect and interact with the legislators, and he too has been holding meetings with the MLAs, especially on matters related to Bengaluru's development. Now, let's